Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel. Today I am doing our group challenge, Pouring in Harmony on Facebook. And our challenge this week is a Boilermaker, which is basically where you drop the shot glass into the white paint. The shot glass has the color in it. So what I have done, let's see, can you see this right? I think it needs to be that yellow. There you go. What's in here is just regular white. And then I've got the, Master's Touch Permanent Red. And Grumbacher Blue. For the blue. And then I've got Liquitex Bronze Gold. So the choice was red, white, and blue, and then you could either put a gold in or silver, so I chose the gold. I'm using 8x10 canvas, which is going to be a lot of paint for this little canvas, I'm just thinking. And it's taped and the push pins are on it. So let's get the gloves on. You know, if anybody would like to join our group on Facebook, Pouring in Harmony, that would be great, wonderful. And you can also take part in the challenges. We're a great group, newer group, looking for new members. So stop by, say hello, and see how you like our group. And anytime you can do the challenges, just put that we ask you to put hashtag Pouring in Harmony, and that way everybody knows it's related. So here we go. Here's our white paint. I don't know if this is going to come up over like it's supposed to, but you're supposed to drop it in. Come on, sink down in there. Sink, sink, sink. Sink, sink. I don't want to put more white in there. Okay, I guess I have to. A little bit right on top. Right there. There we go. Supposed to cover it up is what it is. Not supposed to have anything showing, I think. Alright, so at this point what you do is, oh, and all my paints are mixed with Floetrol, glue wall, and silicone, except for the base paint. It's just Floetrol and water. And it's a little on the thinner side compared to the other ones. And I did spray my cup with Blaster Silicone, so that, whoa, I'm not sure, so that the paint would come out of the cup better. And you know, this is just way too much paint, and I don't think I did it right. I think, oh, wait a minute, I'm seeing that cup down in there. You see that? I don't know if you can see the shot glass in there, but because I sprayed the inside of the paint under the cup, you can see the shot glass right there, and I see a little bit of color coming up right there. I'm sort of anxious for it, but also nervous that there's so much paint there. So it is my first Boilermaker. Christina Welch, I'm sure you've seen her channel, and if you haven't, you definitely want to go see her channel. She's the one that created this particular technique. She is got a great channel too. And so do all my members and my friends at Pouring in Harmony. So I'm going to get ready. I got my torch right here. And here we go. Yikes. Oh boy. Yo. That is definitely a lot of paint. A lot. Look at the cup. That's pretty. I love the cup already. Alright. Oh my gosh, look at all that white paint. But you've got to see the selling right there on that shot glass. Alright, so let's see what we can do here. Let's see if I just sort of spin it around and let some more of this beautiful paint out. Wow, look inside of that. Beautiful. Yes, it is. Okay. I love that shot glass. Wow. Holy moly. It's a pretty shot glass. Wow, I love it. Okay, let me wipe my hands here and torch. And then I'm going to roll off some of that beautiful paint. I hate wasting paint. Well, we'll make some paint stains. Alright, so let's pop some bubbles. Woo. Don't catch anything on fire. There you go. You did. You caught your wax paper on fire, but it's out now. It's okay, everybody. Goodness gracious. Okay, so let's get this paint moving around here. There you go. I don't want to lose that blue. It's very pretty. Oh, come on. No. Ooh, I like it. Oh, yeah. Very pretty. Super pretty. Oh, yeah. Wow. Is that cool? I like that. I actually like all that negative space, too. Oh, look at the side. Wow. Oh, my goodness. Can't decide how I want to do this. I like the negative space, but I know I got to do more on this corner over here. Come on, let's bring it down. I just don't want to lose all that pretty blue. Oops, I'm probably starting to hear the fireworks, because they're coming out. Yes, they are. Alright, so I think I'll do the edges. And probably here too, yep. I really like this, just the way it is. You know, it has... I just don't want to lose any more of that blue over there. It's so pretty. I love that. And up in here is gorgeous. I'm sort of wanting to pour some more off, but... Yeah, okay, here we go. I hope I don't ruin it. Here we go. It's actually quite pretty. Let's see if we can go this way. Just like in the corner some. Right there. Come on down. Okay. It's okay, I guess. I like it. Still not liking this corner though. Let's see if we can bring it down a little further. Yep. Come on down. Come on down. Oh yeah. Very pretty. It's super pretty. There's some of that gold coming out right there. There you go. Alright, let's see if we can take it back a little bit. I don't mind the negative space up in this corner. I think that's pretty. Getting some of these colors back, looking pretty in this side. Yeah. Actually, I think that's really pretty. With all that negative space even. So, I think what I'll do at this point... I'm not sure. What am I going to do? Leave it be is what I should do. And... I think that is what I'm going to do, is leave it be. I'd still like to see a little bit more color over there. That's sort of pretty. Okay, I'm good. A little bit more color. Come on. I don't know. Probably just messing with that. I just like some more blues and stuff in there. Okay. I think it's very pretty. I hope everybody likes it. Let me get my gloves off and torch it. Ugh. I got it on me anyway, didn't I? Well, I don't think it's too bad for my first Boilermaker. I think it's pretty. I like it a lot. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Everybody have a nice, safe, happy 4th of July. Stay tuned because we got our drawing coming up for the subscriber giveaway for July. I'm going to be drawing that on the morning of the 8th, and I'll put the winner up in the afternoon or evening on the 8th. So stay tuned for that and for more art. There's a close-up if you can see it. There you go. I think you can. I like it. So, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Please have a very happy and safe 4th of July. And I'll see you all soon. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.